The Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi has launched its new affordable 5G phone in India called Redmi 15C. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi 15C 5G features a tall 6.9-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 810 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4, 6, or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Redmi 15C 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6,000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with HyperOS 2 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 171.56 by 79.47 by 7.99 millimeters, and it weighs around 211 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi 15C 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 12,499 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 13,999 Indian rupees. And the higher variant with 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 15,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from December 11th in midnight black, moonlight blue, and dusk purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi 15C 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.